Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they're available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So let's see these cool gadgets and hacks we've got in this video. This is the package. She's gonna unbox all these products. It's really a big package. We've got this tool you can use for killing insects. This is a small fan. It's really cool. It's a fold-in-one. We've got this juicer you can use for making different types of juice. This is a small grinder. This is another fan you can stick to the wall. We've got this box where you can put toilet paper. This is a rack you can use in your bathroom. We've got this small trash bin, and this is a tub you can use for your feet. We've got this soap holder. This is a small box where you can put toilet paper and other stuff. This is another rack you can use in your bathroom. This is a small brush you can use for cleaning your toilet. We've got these racks you can use for dispensers. We've got this is a plastic closet you can use for your shoes. We've got this machine you can use for heating water. We've got this plastic shelf you can use for organizing your stuff. This is a small box where you can put your makeup stuff. You can also use it for your mobile phone. We've got this electric cleaner you can use for cleaning the floor. This is a small washing machine. You can also use it for drying up your clothes. It's really convenient. You can use it anywhere, and you can even take it outside. We've got this cooker you can use for cooking seafood. We've got these products, and this sponge you can use for cleaning your sneakers. We've got this closet again you can use for organizing your shoes, and this is an electric brush. We've got these dispensers you can use for your toilet. We've got these items you can use for your toilet. They're really cool. We've got this broom and this dustpan. It's really cool. It makes the task easier and fast. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. You can also use it for the corners. This is another lady in another apartment. Let's see the tools she's using in her beautiful apartment. We've got this small chair.